I've been loving too long, I've been waiting too long. Sometimes I don't know what I will find. I only know it's a matter of time when you love someone. Yeah, when you love someone, it feels so right, so warm and true. I need to know if you feel it too. Maybe I'm wrong. Won't you tell me if I'm coming on too strong? This whole life I've been crying before. This time I wanna be sure. I've been waiting for a girl like you to come into my life. I have been waiting for a girl like you, a love that will survive. I've been waiting for someone new to make me feel alive. Yeah, waiting.